Right, guys, thank you for joining with EduNations with another video episode. This video is specifically very useful for people who are working or people who are using the uh, the freelancing job, or the people who are using these online platforms carefully, and the students who are uh, thoroughly engaging with online platforms. So this is most benefited for those who are highly engaged in this the online platforms such as Microsoft Teams and Google Teams, Google Meetings, likewise. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download, how to create Zoom account, so Zoom free account, and through that how to set up your account, and through that how to create Zoom meeting link, and how to what is Zoom webinar and what is Whiteboard, and etc. So those are the main key areas which I'm going to talk about with regard to Zoom platform. So okay, let's go. First of all, you need to type on your browser, uh, just type in Zoom, and once you are typing this, you will be directed to this kind of interface. So then uh, you need to if you have already account, if you have already the prepared Zoom account, you can log into it successfully. Otherwise, you need to create the free logins by using your relevant details. So I have already created my account with my office email. So I'm logging into my office package with my with using my office email address. So once you are successfully logged into the Zoom interface, on your left hand side there will be several bars: personal, admin, and there'll be video tutorials, knowledge base, and Zoom Learning Center. Likewise, so when it's come to your user profile, you can update your profile and you can rename your name and your phone number, language, time zone, date format, time format, your personal meeting ID, host key. For relevant, you can use this key also, and your license. This license, under this license, I have only 100 participants. The Zoom Whiteboard facility, I can only edit in 3 boards. So mention in your sign in email address and sign in password. If you are willing to activate your two-factor authentication, you can turn it on. And at the moment, I have linked my working email. So these are the basic interface under the profile. So when it's come to meeting, these are the most option which you have to use. Uh, Specifically, if you are work from home, if you attend for a online webinar, so the um, uh, some of who are doing the part-time courses, so through that, specifically if you are using Zoom, so these are the main areas you need to thoroughly uh, get to know. So here under the meeting, you can schedule meeting, because specifically you need to contact your team members, or the whatever the group meeting, or whatever the necessary meeting if you need to create under the Zoom, kindly click meeting, and you can use this schedule meeting. So before going to it, there will be several tabs under the meeting interface also. Upcoming, previous, you can get to know the upcoming and previous meeting if you have scheduled, and you can use personal room. So in this sense, let's say you are having some a large team, or if you have to address two different categories, the let's say the with regard to your work environment, there you need to contact HR team, and at the same time you need to contact the marketing team. So under the personal room, you can create the rooms specifically the HR and the marketing. And here are some meeting templates. I have not any meeting template. I have not created any template. So therefore, how to schedule meeting. So on your right hand side, there will be a tab with the plus mark, schedule a meeting. I'm clicking this, and so here you can mention the topic, add any description, when, time duration, and if the meeting ID it's automatically generated, you can use the personal ID. If this is recurring, which means every Monday at a particular time in every week, if you need to conduct this meeting, you can click this, and you can uh, plan to up to which week you are going to recur in this meeting. Based on that, you can uh, create this meeting. And as I discussed in previous, you can create template. So if you have successfully creating the details, so the your passcode will be look like this. And you can tick this or you can untick this, because if you are really really uh, uh, familiar with the audience that you are engaging with. If not, you can use them waiting room, and once they log in, at the time of their login, you can get into the meeting also. Under the video, the host can on off their videos and participants usually off, but based on the requirement, and you can switch on their videos. So options allow participant to join anytime. You can mute participant upon entity. You can tick one tick automatically record meeting on the local computer. Approve or block entry use from specific regions or countries. So these are the basic details. So after that, you can save the created link. And the webinar, this webinar facility mostly using if you are attend for the larger class, or if you are addressing larger gatherings such as more than 1,000 participants, or this is 1,000 to 10,000 attendees under Zoom webinar, which is on providing the 10,000 attendees done. But for that, you need to pay some additional premium subscription fee. So they have mentioned what are the services that you can generate. They will provide it if you are login, if you are getting this webinar facility. And under the phone also, this is not necessary. And if you have personal contacts, you need to create it to your CSV file, and based on that you can update. And here they have newly introduced whiteboard facility, especially you are in a team discussion, or let's say you are in a marketing with the marketing team, you need to generate some fresh ideas. You can share these templates with your team and get the ideas, all the ideas you can get to the one point, and based on that you can decide which option is best to go ahead or best to uh, start on. Likewise, it will be depend on the area you are working, and the knowledge you are sharing, it's industry you are working. Yeah, depend on the all the categories. But uh, this is a real good option that they have introduced very recently, so you can use it and have how it goes on. So under the recordings, they'll be providing local computer. You can save it to your cloud. Based on these given guidance, you can do those changes accordingly. So here you can see under the settings, you can check your meetings, recordings, audio conferencing, and whiteboard, Zoom apps. Likewise, so all the settings, all the general settings and major settings which are available here. Based on that, based on your preference, you can do the those things accordingly. Under the admin panel, the user management, these are not necessary uh, if you are, if you are, if you, are, if, you are, if you need to take some the small meetings or the things like that. But depending on the situation, you can use this admin panel. Based on that, you can do those changes. So this is the mm, basic idea which I need to give it uh, about the Zoom platform. So here they are mentioning the solution: education, finance, government, healthcare, and these are the industries that they are thoroughly working on. And you can get to know their plans and pricing. Here they are mentioning what is the free context, the free version, which is only available to 100 attendees and 40 minutes. And when it goes on, they how they mentioning what are the packages and the benefit that they are offering. Likewise, So the under the resources, they have given us support option, contact, learn, and explore more details. So it would be better you individually refer this platform, and then only you will learn their services and how to create meeting and the things like that. So guys, with that time I need my presentation, so hope you have get uh, some basic idea about how to work with the Zoom. So if you have any doubt, you can under the comment section you can put your comments or your idea about the program which is benefited to you or not. So uh, please stay with the donations every Friday. We will give you the content continuously. So be with us, and once again, thank you.